Well, Wayne.
Urgent weather message for the following county, Wayne, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Wayne County in
Radar indicated.
Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over West Salem, or 13 miles northeast of Ashland, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Wayne County, including the following locations: Congress,